Der nominative, the nominative case. So let's start with our first case of the four, the nominative. Why is he the first one? It's the easiest one to learn and probably the most often one. It's the basic case. If you take a noun or a pronoun out of the dictionary, it will always be in the nominative case. We can say that it's the word's default state. Der nominative will be the subject of the sentence, meaning the person, animal, or thing that is doing or being something. The nominative noun is carrying out the action, and the verb is conjugated according to it. So the protagonist, so to say, of the sentence is always in the nominative. Let me show you a few examples. Ich erkläre den Nominativ. I am explaining the nominative. I am the subject of the sentence carrying out the action, and therefore in the nominative case. The verb erklären, to explain, is conjugated according to the subject. In this case, ich. Das Mädchen lernt die Grammatik. The girl is doing something, learning. That's why the girl, das Mädchen, is the subject of the sentence and in the nominative. Or der Bus fährt nach Berlin. The bus is driving to Berlin. The bus is doing the action here and is in the nominative. Der Junge rennt nach Hause. The boy is doing something, running. And again, that's why he's the subject of the sentence and in the nominative. Each case will also have a question that can be used to identify it. This means that if you ask the question and a word or group of words can be the answer to that question, it means that it's in that specific case. For the nominative, the question is wer, who, or was, what. Who or what is doing something. This means that if you want to test whether a word or group of words is in the nominative or not, if it can be the answer to who or what, it's in the nominative. Let's see what that means and how to check the nominative case with the help of the questions who or what, wer oder was. Das ist meine Tante. And here we can ask, wer ist das? Who is that? You can see the nominative question here, wer. And the answer to this question is meine Tante, which means that meine Tante is in the nominative case. Mein Auto ist in der Garage. Was ist in der Garage? Mein Auto ist in der Garage. Alle Kinder kommen zur Party. Wer kommt zur Party? Alle Kinder kommen zur Party. Yes, nominative again. Meine Mutter fährt das Fahrrad. Wer fährt das Fahrrad? Meine Mutter fährt das Fahrrad. My mother is doing the action here and can be the answer to the question wer, the nominative question. This is why the nominative is also called der Wer-Fall in German. Der Fall meaning case and wer, who, because it tells us who is doing something. Watch out, speakers of other languages with cases. You might be happy that you know how the case system works and the case questions. But I must warn you, the cases do not behave the same way in all languages. While in the language that you speak, a certain case may be used for a specific thing, in German or another language, it may be used for a completely different thing. So don't rely on that.